Oh, beautiful day for a hike. So, I wonder what it would be like if we were hiking in the winter, camping in the winter, or, beside a lake or whatever in the summer, and we dropped our lighting tools in the water or in the snow. Let's find out. So, it's really important to have a good fire starter. You can use a flint or, you know, barbecue lighters or whatever, or a Bic lighter. But this is something I've made up. It's old candles and an egg carton. So we're going to use this on these lighters, and we'll see which one works best when they get wet and how long it takes to dry them out. Let's see. Got some tools for lighting, barbecue lighters and the like. We know how good these work, right? Not too well, especially when they get older. You drop them in the snow, well, you might as well forget it. So we got the old modern electronic ignition. Works pretty good. All right. And got the old Bic lighter right here. But if it gets wet, it's a lot of shaking to dry it. All right. And of course we've got these guys here. There's magnesium, that helps if they're wet, but we got a flint, a piece of metal, high carbon steel, and this is just one of several different types. But if it gets wet, how easy is it to dry? Well, let's find out. So here we got another tool. It's a modern lighter. It's waterproof container. It's Explorer electronic. 350 charges per battery, and it works pretty good. But is it waterproof when you drop it? Let's say you're lighting something like this, there's you can hear it, the arcs. Let's say you're lighting something and you accidentally drop it in the snow. What would happen? Let's find out. Alright. So here's our lighter. Here's our electronic lighter. Okay, just push the button. Just like that, you can see it's igniting. If I use the wax part, it might be better. She's smoking. Anyways, okay. There's still a spark, as you can see. Nice little arc there. Okay, oops, I dropped it in the snow. I hope it doesn't wreck it. Let's see. Yeah, it's really snowy. Knock it off. Water resistant. Waterproof. Oh, look at that. There's the spark. Still functioning. Alright. There's our little flame still smolders over there. Okay, we're going to go with the Bic lighter. Alright, you can see it's working currently. Tiny little flame, not windproof like the electronic one. But oops, I dropped it in the snow. It'll blow. Yeah, the hole's plugged up with snow. Okay, so about a half an hour of drying and we'll get that working. But currently, that's not going to happen. Hey, barbecue lighter. Good flame. All right. Oops, dropped it in the snow. I hope it's not permanent. Snow in the end. Of course, it's electronic, so what do we do? Knock it. Blow it. Oh, look at that. Quick recovery. This one here, another barbecue lighter. This one's like a home hardware version you'd find on at the checkout counter. Barely starts on a good day. Definitely not flame resistant or wind resistant. Yeah, it's not even working now, so we'll just forget that. All right. Well, this is my quick review of the water resistance of the Explorer. 300 charges. So that's about, if you charge it twice a year, that's 150 years if the battery lasts that long. So, good job. Thanks very much. Bye for now. Please subscribe when you get a chance, and thanks for watching too.